सेंटर में आइए मैम, सेंटर में आइए,
सेंटर में आइए। ये आया तेरे फोन मार रहे।
मैम सेंटर में, सेंटर में, सेंटर में आइए। बस मैम यहाँ लुक गया।
सेंटर डाउन, सेंटर डाउन, सेंटर डाउन। हम सेंटर डाउन, सेंटर डाउन, सेंटर सामने, सेंटर सामने, हम सेंटर, सेंटर,
Us with something so unique, Shraddha Kapoor. दिन वो होता है, हम फैमिली के साथ हमारा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, बट ट्रस्ट मी, there's nothing more beautiful than bonding with your family over an animated film, and Zootopia 2 is going to give those special moments. और इसीलिए कि इससे पहले कि हम इस फिल्म की बात करें, इसकी स्पेशल वॉइस की बात करें, मैं चाहती हूँ आप सबको मैं बता दूँ, ये हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तमिल, तेलुगु में 28th of November आपके लिए सिनेमा हॉल्स में आ रही है, and we have somebody very special to thank for it. Please may I call Ajit Andare to come on stage, the head of studios, Geo Star. Please everybody, your hands together for Ajit. ये बहुत रेगुलरली ये कर रहे हैं आजकल. Ajit, we've all grown up watching Disney. It's magical. It's so beautiful and somehow heartwarming for us कि generations के लिए Disney आज भी उतना relevant है. And I want to ask you, what is the key कि they've managed to be this relevant, this beautiful even today? क्या है ये?
I think you said it all right. The moment we see a Disney film, we are all transformed to these magical kingdoms of innocence, of warmth. I think one of the things that they do really well is this whole stunning visual imagery, which is something we are all fanboys, fangirls of. But I think more than that, these films come from a very strong heart, you know. And what better film to talk about than Zootopia? Because Zootopia is, guys, every bit a classic Disney film, right? It takes you into this warm, magical animal kingdom where you want to sort of get lost. But at the same time, if you watch the film, it's got something very serious to say. Yeah. So it makes you look inwards. And I think that's the quality with most of the Disney films. But if I have to pick one today, which sort of wears it really beautifully, I think it's Zootopia.
Wow. Also the fact that you had Mufasa and Inside Outs too, which I loved, by the way. And again, कि उनको आपने एक इंडियन ढांचे में डाल के सारे ऑडियंस के साथ वो कनेक्ट रखा, ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होता है. ये आज के ज़माने में to make a global film into a locally relevant one, how do you manage to do this consistently? और ये important क्यों है? ये कैसे हो जाता है ये magic?
So let me give you some perspective, okay? Because बात समझ में आती है जब हम एक दो examples लेते हैं. So चाइना में जो फिल्म है Avatar, Zootopia उतना ही बड़ा ब्रांड है. Can you imagine this?
Oh, guys, let's
it's
clap
as
that.
big as that.
Oh.
And in India, Avatar is the big one, and Zootopia is got a big journey to go. Now, the point is, when you have such a lovely, heartwarming product, which is a universal story, which is for family, kids, which makes us kids, all of us, how do you really sort of get it across to this culture, this audience? And that's where comes our own industry, our own stars, our own, people who we have affection for, who become a very, very important ally for us. And this is something we've been doing. Like Shah Rukh, we had in Mufasa. Then we had done Pariniti and Priyanka in Frozen, Inside Out 2 also we had Ananya. So, I mean, we have had our little hall of fame of Indian star talent, sort of headlining and helping these films reach a much wider audience. Really, that's really what we're doing here. And all we need to do is find a perfect fit. And then the rest is really, hopefully, a task which sort of does itself.
Judy Hopps. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here for Judy Hopps. Let's put our hands together for Shraddha Kapoor. She entertains us at every level, every day, in her own sweet way and her simplistic ways, and yet such a star girl. What a star. And to have her perfectly cast for this. What an amazing job, I must say, Ajit.
Actually, very easy job, because I remember when we watched the whatever print we get this print way in advance. I was walking out and with Rudro, and both of us turned and we said, Shraddha, So I said, Rudro, you run with this now. And yeah, here we are. I mean, it was a perfect fit, because actually, honestly, if you have my way, I would rather make a Hindi version with Shraddha in it as Judy Hopps. We have to remember this is only the voice. Maybe we'll get there at some point in time. But yeah, I think she brings in a certain, attitude, a certain spunkiness, a sort of standing for her own in this sort of world, which is what Judy is all about. And I think, therefore, it was a great fit. And I'm sure you will hear from her how she enjoyed being the character.
Should we call her on stage, everybody?
Absolutely. Very much.
Let's have Judy Hopps on stage. Shraddha Kapoor. Oh my God, where do I start with you, girl? Where do I start with you? आपकी पहली डिज्नी मेमोरी क्या है? वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं.
Hi everyone. कैसे हो? मजे में? मस्त एकदम. बड़ा है? क्या बात है? Superb. यार मेरी first Disney memory. I think कि all of us over here have so many Disney films, because every other animated film is a Disney film when you're growing up.
Yeah.
So I feel like for all of us, and not just me, I think I can speak for everybody in this room, all our earlier years, all our growing up years have been about Disney films. And Bachpan has been spent in that, and that's exactly how it's been for me as well. And that's why it's been so special to lend my voice for a Disney film, because बचपन से जुड़ी हुई यादें हैं, तो it just becomes that much more special. For me, I think, I don't know, there are so many, but if I have to say, do I have to pick one or two?
कोई भी जो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैश हो रही है आंखों के सामने, क्या है वो?
Can you guys guess which? वो भी है. Huh? See, okay, at the end of the day, I think that every girl can relate that Cinderella is definitely very, very close to my heart. है ना? Do we all relate? I mean, like, yeah, Cinderella, and then you grow up and you're like, you want your dream to come true, and I think it's so relatable. So for me, it'll definitely be Cinderella, and also Snow White is also a very, very close one to me. But yeah, so many memories, and I have to say a big thanks to my parents for letting me watch all of the Disney animated films.
I should also
while,
thank them.
while growing up, and you know, really making it a part of my childhood.
What about Judy Hopps? Kyunki she's perky, she's fun, she's also feisty like you. कुछ ऐसा special relation लगा जब आपने you took this up and you found this magic within you?
मैं आपको बताऊँ exactly as आपने बताया, I felt a connection with Judy Hopps. मुझे लगा कि यार काफ़ी सारे similarities है मुझ में और Judy Hopps में. मुझे लगता है कि हम we both have our head on our shoulders. And यहाँ पे now I will, how do you say good things about myself and Judy Hopps also. So we both have our heads on our shoulders. And I could also really relate to the fact that वो ना एक एंथू कटलेट है. तो मतलब वो जो भी करती है वो इतने enthusiastic बन के करती है. और शी इज़ वेरी, हाउ डू यू से, शी इज़, जब उसको अथॉरिटेटिव बनना होता है वो बनती है, जब उसको सॉफ्ट बनना होता है वो बनती है. तो आई फील लाइक टू लेंड माई वॉइस टू दिस कैरेक्टर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. एंड ऑल्सो जब बचपन में आईने के सामने बैठ के, मुझे पता नहीं आप सबने ये किया है कि नहीं, पर मैंने तो बहुत किया जब मैं छोटी थी. मैं और मेरे भैया, हम दोनों मतलब अलग अलग वॉइसेस में एक दूसरे से बात करते थे. एंड वी यूज़ टू इमिटेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो, एंड वी यूज़ टू imitate a lot of people in our schools and a lot of people around us and all of that. तो ये सब time pass हम सब करते थे. तो now to actually lend my voice for Judy Hopps, it's a lot of fun. I think my entire family is also very excited about this, I have to say, because it's something so fun to do.
And Star Studio 18 and with Zootopia 2 एक association जो बन गया है, that must be something super special for you as a professional as well, है ना? कैसा था?
I also have to say that for me, this has been, I have to say thank you for giving me this experience, because dubbing studio में जाके जब आप खुद के लिए आवाज़ दे रहे हो ना, and for any character that you're playing, it's very different. And for me to give my voice for a bunny, and a bunny who is really cool, who's really lovable,
Bunny who's funny
and,
also, actually.
who's funny and who does a lot of masti and a lot of dhamal. I have to say it was such a fun experience. जिस तरह से आपको अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करना होता है, you have to really be able to scale the entire spectrum of what you can do. And उसमें ना मतलब एक छूट मिलती है. तो so that was a lot of fun for me, really a lot of fun.
Then should we actually share what you have?
Should we?
Yeah?
Should we go for it? Promo हो जाए? Let's go for it.
All right, guys, here we have it. A special presentation for everybody who loves Shraddha, and now as Judy Hopps in Zootopia 2. Woo-woo! Q&A. Oh my God. पहली बार मैंने लाइफ में देखा एक एनिमेटेड पर्सनालिटी को एक इंसान में और एक सुपरस्टार में डलते हुए.
Actually, have the chairs. Actually, हमारा एक किस्सा है इमिटेशन का ना, आपका और मेरा. तो she has already experienced me imitating someone, and after that I didn't go back to school. So
टीचर
because it was everywhere.
वो वायरल हो गया था बहुत.
तो हाँ.
टीचर थी ना आपके?
Yes.
What she was asking you to not keep
So
quiet.
then after that I didn't go back to school.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for your questions. But before I come to them, सबसे relatable character trait जो जूडी हॉप्स में है, जो आपको लगता है, एक तो of course उसकी बड़ी आंखें देखकर और उसकी she's warm, bubbly, but yes, she knows her mind. You know, that's very you. What's the most relatable character जूडी हॉप्स का आपके लिए?
So there are lots of, I think, characteristics. I think कि उसको गाजर भी बहुत पसंद है, मतलब वो फूडी है. मतलब वो फूडी है. और I think that apart from that, I can relate to her is the enthu cutlet aspect. If I'll be very honest with you, because I also know कि if something really excites me, and if I'm in that go mode about something, then even I get very positive about it, and I'm like, come on, let's do this and let's go for it. And I think that is something similar about us.
जूडी के अलावा और कौन से कैरेक्टर आपको बहुत पसंद आते हैं इन जूटोपिया?
यार मुझे बहुत गैरी ना बहुत क्यूट लगता है. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी वेरी लवेबल स्नेक एंड वो इतना प्यारा है. उसकी आंखें और उसका एक जो टूथ है, आप एक उसका प्यारा सा दांत देखते हो तो इतना क्यूट लगता है वो. तो आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी वेरी स्वीट.
अगर जूडी मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में फंसती, जो वो फंसती, तो और ऑफ कोर्स ड्राइविंग स्किल्स तो उनके क्या बोले, और आपकी गाड़ियां तो हम क्या कहें. बताओ अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक जैम में फंसती तो वो कैसे क्या बोलती? अब श्रद्धा हमको बताएंगी, नहीं सॉरी जूडी हमको बताएंगी.
अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक में फंसती
हाँ,
तो वो एक्चुअली
क्या बोलती?
वो लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन है. वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती सिचुएशन को, चुपचाप बैठती वहाँ पे और शायद एक गाजर खाती.
पर कुछ तो बोलती भी ना. आप जूडी स्टाइल में बोलो थोड़ा, तो हमको वी वांट टू हियर.
वो मैं बचा के रखती हूँ.
ओके फाइन, ओके we'll do that later.
वो बनी पे आता है ना, मजा आता है फिर.
Alright, these are your questions. Thank you for your questions. तो सबसे पहली बात, वो बड़ी एक्सप्रेसिव आंखें, ऑन स्क्रीन एनर्जी, सब कुछ दिख रहा है, मैच हो रहा है जूडी हॉब्स के साथ. बट अगर उनकी एक नॉन स्टॉप एनर्जी, जज्बा और डिटर्मिनेशन के आगे अगर एक चीज आपको इस एक्सपीरियंस में एज एन एक्टर, एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन बहुत फुलफिलिंग लगा, वो क्या था?
बहुत ही मज़ा आया टू बी एबल टू मॉड्यूलेट विथ माई वॉइस. एंड मतलब आप तो ये हर वक्त करते हो. एंड वी वर जस्ट, अजीत एंड आई वर ऑल्सो जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ ब्यूटिफुल योर वॉइस इज एंड हाउ एनर्जेटिक योर वॉइस इज. एंड मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया टू बी एबल टू प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर. एंड व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म ऑल्सो, देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स इन सर्टन वेज इन विच शी स्पीक्स, और अलग अलग तरीक़ों से वो अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करती है. जब बहुत गुस्से में होती है वो कैसे बात करती है, जब मजाक कर रही होती है तो कैसे बात करती है. तो टू रियली एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड टू, हाउ डू यू से, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक भी है. एंड शी इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड वेरी लवेबल. सो आई हैव टू से ऑल्सो आई वॉज इन सच अ गुड मूड when I was just happy when I was going into the dub studio and dubbing. So I really enjoyed that. I think to be able to bring out a character just with your voice. And also it's not that it's my voice. Of course it's my voice, but you have to be the character's voice. And you have to make sure that you're bringing out those specific personality traits and that specific kind of intonation and modulation.
I want us to, for a moment, Shraddha, you and me, clap for some of the beautiful people in this audience today, जिनमें से हमारे friends हैं जो छोटे शहरों से आके इतनी बड़ी चीज़ें कर चुके हैं. We want to clap for you because that's exactly who Judy Hopps is. Nobody thought she could do what she did with her life, and I know many of you have done that.
That's true also. She has this attitude which is, I mean, you can't tell me what I can't do. And that attitude is very, I think it's inspiring for all of us. It's inspiring for me also. And at the same time, she retains her softness also about herself, which is really nice.
That is your superpower, and I know that I've told you कि कितनी प्यारी चीज़ों के लिए आपका दिल धड़कता है, despite you being up there in the sky, shining like a star for us, and still shining your light upon every small and big thing that touches your heart. है ना? I know she's saying ये क्या हो रहा है अर्चू? All girls can relate to Judy for that righteousness. जो मुझे ऐसे लगता है we are born with it at some level. लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि छोटे शहरों से आके ये बड़े सपने जो वो पूरे करते हैं, आपके लिए has there been a personal anecdote where you've seen people like that around you and got inspired? Because by the grace of God, आपके लिए वो एक setup था. You had a family who was already there in that sense. You just had to inspire yourself. But do you feel you saw someone and felt, wow, this is so inspiring? ऐसा कोई था आपके आसपास?
No, of course, I feel like, I mean, even be it at home, be it learning from my father, his entire journey, how he came from Delhi, he came from a non-filmy family and all of that, that is a separate thing. I mean, आप जो पूछ रहे हो around me all the time, I think that, me being an actor, actors are in the front of everything, right? They are on the poster, they come and talk to everybody, they give interviews and they interact with everyone. But the thing is that nobody who is in the front is able to do what they do without everybody who's at the back. And it's not possible only. And that is
team effort.
absolutely. And nobody can do anything alone. And koi kuch akela nahi kar sakta. There is always a force and there is always an entire team of people around them. There are people who inspire them all the time. And for me also, I'm constantly surrounded by people who I'm very grateful to be surrounded by, who are in my life. Because without them, and there, I have a very long list. Very, very long list.
sweet.
Absolutely, because
तो
I
मुझे आपके लाइफ में निक वाइल्स बहुत हैं.
you know, I feel like definitely my entire family is there, who, you know, they've been my pillar through and through. But I also have to say that people who I work with also, you know, people who instill their faith in me and say
Yeah.
that, you know, okay, let's make this movie together or let's do this together. It's a big deal, and it's something that I really, really cherish.
जूडी हॉप जो है वो अपनी लाइफ को रीडिफाइन करती है. शी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली इन द नो ऑफ कि अच्छा मैंने शायद यहाँ गलती कर ली, ये कर दिया. शी इज वेरी सेल्फ अवेयर. डू यू हैव अ पर्सनल जूडी हॉप मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ?
But actually, let me come back to your question. If I had to pick my real life Nick, I would say that I have a few Nicks, and that's my mom, my dad,
Yeah.
and my brother.
Yeah.
I would say that they are my Nicks in my life. And a real life Judy Hopps moment.
है?
अरे काफ़ी सारे हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि यू नो टू बी एन एंथू कटलेट अबाउट समथिंग.
हाँ.
I was an enthu cutlet about coming here also today because I was very excited to meet everybody and you know to talk to all of you. So I think that I have a Judy Hopps moment every single day.
You've done so many inspiring characters, and some of them even had negative shades. उनमें से ड्रॉ करके इस वॉइस में लाना और उसमें ढालना, कुछ आपको याद आती है कि शायद यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया, यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया?
मैं आपको सच कहूँ, आई थिंक वेयर आई रियली ड्रू इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम वाज फ्रॉम माई बचपन.
ओके.
आई हैव टू से जो बचपन से वो अंदर, आई थिंक आई रियली सबकॉन्शियसली वांटेड टू गिव माय वॉइस फॉर एन एनिमेटेड फिल्म. एंड व्हेन दिस हैपेंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक अभी
Yes.
मज़ा आने वाला है. And so I think that it's my childhood. I think a part of my childhood has been complete by, you know, being a part of this film.
And it's a $1 billion beautiful franchise, Zootopia 2. It must be a bit of a show-off moment कि boss मैं animated movie का हिस्सा हूँ, Disney movie
You know,
का.
what I love about Zootopia, very honestly, is the fact that, you know, although it's an animated film, it has a really wide appeal.
Yeah.
You can take your kids, you can take your friends, your family, and you know, they have these little lessons in them and these themes which, you know, everybody can relate with. So that is something that I really liked, and in a mazedar way, you know, you're watching an animated film and you go back happy.
So all the fans and all our wonderful friends from media, कुछ message है आपके लिए as Judy Hopps, as Shraddha, what would you like to tell them?
To say कि अभी हाँ कौन
अरुण पूछेगा?
अच्छा पहले मैं मैसेज दे दूँ चलेगा. मेरा मैसेज जस्ट यही है कि पहली बार आई एम lending my voice for an animated film और मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया, and I hope that, you know, all of you enjoy it as well. And it feels really nice that animated films are growing year by year in India, and you know, all of us and our families are loving it. So I'm really happy to be a small part of that.
And जैसे बचपन में आप और आपके भाई वो आईने के सामने खड़े होके देखते थे, क्या Zootopia 2 आप पूरे परिवार के साथ जाके देखोगे, फ्रेंड्स को लेकर?
Definitely. I think that my family will also be very excited to see how Judy Hopps is in my voice.
Absolutely. 28th November, Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. Should we watch the trailer now, guys? Yeah?
देख लेते हैं. Yes.
Let's do this. Come,
Let's
Shraddha.
do it.
आपकी मैजिकल आवाज के लिए एज जूडी हॉप्स हैं, कैन वी हैव यू से समथिंग एज जूडी हॉप्स टू आवर फ्रेंड्स? एनीथिंग?
Yeah. I think let them enjoy it on the big screen. है ना, with the bunny. Just family को लेके जाना, दोस्तों को लेके जाना, मजेदार पिक्चर है, enjoy it and go and watch it. That's all.
Okay, and here's a Shraddha, they want you to stand here. Your last picture. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. Zootopia 2 in cinema halls.
हट हट
घूम जाओ वापस यहाँ पर देखो श्रद्धा जी
ये कैमरे चेहरा बनाइए ये अभिषेक कैमरे से कर अबे अभिषेक है कैमरा हटा दे नीचे कर लाइट दो रुको लाइट दो